Korea campus. So on this video, I will going to represent you on how computer application help engineering and agriculture sectors. Precision agriculture with the use of computer application enables farmers to adopt GPS and geographic information systems to attain comprehensive field-level management. This enables them to plant at the right time, water the crops at the right time, and harvest at the right time, hence increasing crop yield and putting resources to better use. Data management and analysis. Through data collected on crop performance, weather conditions, and soil health, computer software aids in analysis for proper decision making to come up with sustainable improvements in farming. Farm management systems. A computerized farm management system provides comprehensive details on crop growth, labor management, recording of expenses, and automation in the processes related to irrigation, feeding, or fertilizing. Drones and remote sensing. Drones controlled through computer applications provide for aerial imaging that helps in monitoring crops. Remote sensing technology provides an idea of conditions regarding the soil, crops, diseases, and water usage. Computer applications optimize the efficiency of the agriculture supply chain, develop tracking of products from farm to market, reduce waste with improved inventory and transportation management, automated equipment, and robotics. This range from advanced machinery like automated tractors and robotic harvesters to smart irrigation systems. Monitoring of pests and diseases. Computer applications integrated with sensors and cameras monitor fields for pest infestations or diseases. Real-time warning are sent to the farmers so that they can take corrective measures in time. Climate monitoring. Equipped with software integrating weather data, farmers can therefore prepare better for climate risk, optimize planting and harvesting schedules, and enhance resilience against extreme weather for crops. E-commerce and market access. Computer applications put farmers in a position where they can access online markets for selling products directly to the consumer, thereby increasing profitability and widening their market reach. Agricultural research and development. Computer modeling and simulation are useful in the research of new crop varieties, predicting their performances for different environmental conditions, hence in speeding up agricultural innovation. Computer-aided design. By the use of CAD software, engineers make detailed designs of structures, machinery, and components in 2D and 3D. CAD tools make it easier to visualize, test, and change designs. Finite element analysis, or FEA, software is used by engineers to simulate how a particular product or structure would behave under forces such as heat, vibrations, and stress. This will provide more accurate designs and better materials choices even before the building of prototypes. Project management. Through project management software such as Primavera as Microsoft Project, engineers can plot and plan projects and therefore sustains efficiency to meet deadlines and budgets. BIM, or Building Information Modeling. In construction engineering, very professional BIM software is engaged in the creation of elaborated models that integrate architectural, structural, and mechanical design. It assists in managing the whole life of a building project, from design through maintenance. Automation and control systems. The computer applications are to manufacture and robotics and such other fields through PLCs, or programmable logic controllers, which, together with SCADA systems, really enhance efficiency and precision. 3D printing and prototyping. In 3D printing technology, the application of computers is inseparable. These computers enable the engineers to print and build physical prototypes of the digital models which they design, much more efficiently and quickly than was possible earlier. Geographical Information Systems, or GIS software in civil and environmental engineering was used to analyze spatial and geographic data for infrastructure project planning, route optimization, and environmental impact studies. Simulation software in systems engineering. This is a type of software wherein engineers visualize, simulate, and model complex systems, for example, electrical circuits, mechanical systems, and control systems, without actually physically building any prototypes. Data analytics and AI. Big data analytics and AI algorithms help engineers in making optimum designs, better decisions, and predictions on system performance. In transportation sectors, AI is useful for route optimization and predictive maintenance. Collaboration and communication tools. Cloud-based platform and collaboration tools, including Slack of Microsoft Teams, help engineering teams to collaborate from various locations, share designs in real time, and improve communication. Some of the benefits to ecological problems that engineering software can simulate are those touching on environmental effects, due to the material, energy consumption, and carbon emissions. Hence, it aids in developing green solutions. In the two sectors, it has enhanced efficiency and reduced costs in agriculture, as well as enhanced decision-making in both sectors. Through computer applications, in agriculture, this improves resource use and supply chains, while in engineering, it provides design, simulation, and project management tools. The integration of technology into these two sectors will increase the productivity and sustainability of the sectors.